Hello everyone, this is Suman. Welcome to my channel Suman Tech Talk. Today I am going to show you a useful device in this pandemic, and also it's a multiple. There are multiple users with this one device. That's nothing but an InPic mouse. There are three modes in this mouse, where you can use it with Bluetooth and also a Wi-Fi. But there will be a 2.4 gigahertz dongle as a regular wireless mouse. Let me just unbox it. So it came with a mouse. The mouse looks very good in silver color. It has a branding over here. Let me see what's there in the box. There is a cable. This is a rechargeable mouse. You don't need to have any AAA batteries over here. This is rechargeable mouse. As I said, this mouse has three modes. If you see it here, it's 2.4 gigahertz, which will work along with this dongle. You can use this single mouse for three devices, one with dongle and another two with Bluetooth 5.0 version and also Bluetooth for 4.0 version. So this mouse is as I said, this mouse is rechargeable. You need to recharge with the cable provided or any micro USB cable. This mouse is very sleek and very handy. The clicks of this mouse is very silent. It's a silent mouse, which will reduce a sort of irritation when we are keep on clicking it and when we are busy with some other works. This even the small click from the mouse also might irritate. This is a silent mouse. So let me show you. I'm going to connect this dongle to my MacBook and also connect a Bluetooth to my iPad Pro. So let me show it. Let me switch it on. So right now it's in BT. So I need to click on two times, okay, till I get it on 2.4 gigahertz. So if you see it here, the mouse is connected with a USB dongle for my MacBook. You can see it here. So let me show it to you without using any dongle, okay, how I can connect it to the iPad Pro. So here is my iPad Pro. So in the Bluetooth settings, you need to go to the Bluetooth setting here. There is a BT5 mouse which I already connected to check the things. So now I need to change the device by clicking on a switch to the BT5. Now it's BT5. It will automatically get connected. If you see it here, it's already connected. So the mouse is connected now. Instead of buying a magic mouse from Apple, this mouse is very useful. I bought it from Amazon for 2100 change. I will provide links in the description. So if you see it here, it shows the battery percentage is 64%. BT 5.0 mouse, and this mouse is used by my kid, okay, in his online classes. It's very handy for him to join the classes from it and no need to always keep on touching the iPad. So I feel this mouse is very helpful for everyone, so I just want to do a review here. And there is one more device also you can connect, okay, for suppose you have a mouse or you have another tab, you just need to press this button to BT 4.0 and pair it with your device, and automatically that device will be connected. So with one mouse you can connect to three devices with seamless connections. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope, okay, this mouse will be helpful for everyone, because we use multiple devices instead of it's a seamless connection. It's a three mode mouse, and it's rechargeable. I used it almost for 2 to 3 months. For one recharge I'm getting almost 2 months to 3 months battery backup. I like this mouse. So please ask if you have any questions in my comments. Thank you. Please do subscribe for my channel for more exciting things.